Hi, this is Neil. Now, if you want to share this project or your design as a template link, okay, what you're going to do is going to click on the share button here, click on that, and here you want to click on more, click on more, and here you can see template link. Alright, so let's click on template link, and here you can copy. So here you can see anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, so they definitely need to have a Canva account, then only they can use this template and edit it. But you won't know who has made the copies of the design. Well, this is quite the bad news. I hope that maybe one day Canva do allow us to know who actually made the copy and start designing it. Alright, that would be great data for us actually. At least we know how many people actually like the template and how many people were willing to actually use a template and edit it for their own use. So now let us go and copy this link, and now you can actually share this link to anyone else. Alright, I also talk about how you can actually shorten this link and how can you turn this link into your branded link. For example, I can just shorten the link. Example, I can just put like 101next.com/Canva. Okay, so that is a branded link. So I do have another video to talk about that exactly, how you can actually shorten your URL or how you can turn it into a branded link like this. So I have another video to talk about that. Just go ahead, check the link in the description down below. Alright, now let's say you have copied the link. Now what should you do with the link? All you have to do with this link is to share it on your social media, whether it's on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or any other places. That also includes your website or your e-commerce store. So like example, I copy this link, I go to my Facebook page, I can paste the link here. As you can see, I paste the link here. Of course, I will add a short description here, and I paste the link here. So whenever someone clicks on this link, they will be directed to the Canva template page. Now let's say if someone were to click on that link, let me show you an example how does it look like. So whenever someone clicks on the link, they will be directed to this page. Now let's say I'm going to paste the link here. Now you can see this is the link, the template link. I'm going to paste it here and just go to tap on it. Alright, so they will see something like this. Okay, so this could be your team members, your students, or could be anyone who wants to use this template. So for this case, let me show you another example. Maybe you want to share this template, or maybe you want to share this kind of template, like example, this application form. Alright, so maybe you want to send to a group of people who wants to, sign up for your membership. Maybe you have a membership site or a membership program, just where you want to send this application form to them as a template, and that's where they can actually just edit it on their site. All they get to do is that they just need to log in their own Canva account, and they can just start to edit it directly. Okay, so I paste a link here on a new browser, or they just click on the link here, and they'll be directed to this page. So what happens next is that they just need to click on the use template, and you can see here, they need to log in. So they can continue with Google, Facebook, or with their own email address. So I'm going to continue with Google. Alright, so once they log in with their Google account or Facebook or with their email, here you can see at the top here, you can see the title. Here it shows copy of ebook cover and etc. So this means that they managed to copy the template, and now they can edit this template. So these templates now belongs to them. They can use it, they can download it. They can always download it anytime if they want, download it. And here they can fill up the form, example, the membership form. You can fill up the information here. Okay, fill out all this information, and the next is that they can actually download it and they send to you this form. Alright, or they can actually continue to edit with other templates. So these are some examples that they can use. So you either want to give the templates for free, or you want to sell it. Of course, basically, if you are the designer of the template, you can use it and sell it. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please do follow and subscribe to my channels and to all my social media. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so that is all for this video. This is 101, and I will see you in the next one.